This is very easy.
Okay.
Craft, open, and this cover need also to open it.
Oh.
Here is the camera.
Yes.
And when you finish the craft, you need to close.
This is the camera cover actually.
Yeah, camera cover.
All right. All right.
First close here, and tight here. Done. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
And there's the first step. You can finish the video. You need to cover this track.
This is a safety cover.
The safety cover. Totally have two locks. This is the first one.
Okay.
The second one.
All right. Okay. Okay.
This is also.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. All right.
The second video. Like balls. Tap 2 times. 1, 2, and continue.
Oh. 1, 2, and continue.
You see? Again, close also. 1, 2, continue.
1, 2, and press.
Yeah.
Okay, close.
Close.
1, 2, press. And there will be opening sound.
Yes.
All right. All right.
This is opening.
Okay. Remote functions. These are the controllers. Okay. 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 Ouch.
1, 2,
Press. Ow. Right.
and close. 1, 2.
These are all rechargeable, right? Charging.
Charging.
Charging. Okay.
Charger is here. Charge.
Charge. This is the drone controller, remote controller is charging.
Yes. Controller with the phone because have the charging line. This is for Android.
And this is for iPhone.
Okay. No, this is for iPhone.
This is for iPhone, okay. So we are connecting the cable for iPhone.
Any cell phone is okay.
Any cell phone is
You got
okay.
this different line.
All right, all right.
See? Actually, it's connected like this.
So that the phone is fixed with the controller. Right.
Yes.
It's very, very systematic. Oops. 1, 2, press. Okay.
Have one app. Let me find. It's DJI Fly.
DJI Fly, this is the apps.
This is apps.
This needs to be downloaded.
Download it.
Okay, okay.
You see. The camera already showed.
Oh.
If you play like this.
起飞。姿态模式。降落。
Because another is we must have the satellite. Now you see the satellite is 0.
Yes, yes.
At least 10 satellite can fly.
I mean internet
Not internet.
or satellite.
Satellite.
Satellite by the. I got it.
At
I got
least
it.
10 satellites.
So satellite will be connected automatically. Sure.
Yeah, medically. At least 10. Otherwise, the craft will be lost control. Will be lost control. Very dangerous.
Okay.
So if we can confirm at least 10 satellite, will be very safety. Whether you fly here and another place, any place is safety.
Now there is no satellite connections in here.
Yes.
Okay. So where you can show that the satellite connection is
Now
there?
is inside our office. We go outside, maybe have one craft, have one battery. How to open? Here open.
Okay, three for I guess 3 batteries for backup.
1, 2.
Right,
Three.
you can charge them all.
One battery, 30 minutes.
One can fly 20 minutes. Okay.
20 minutes.
Okay.
At least.
At least 20 minutes.
Top. Close.
So you have the total backup capacity of 1 hour for 3 batteries. At least
Yeah.
1 hour. Yes.
If we want to charge the battery, also have this line.
So batteries has to be. This is also a battery box like.
Battery
So
box.
with one cable, 3 batteries will be charged together.
Listen to me. First, charge here.
Oh.
When this battery is full, second, third, one by one,
One
not
by one.
together,
I got it.
not together.
So when you, for example, you have 3 batteries are charged
You see
at
these 2 battery already full power.
full power. Okay. So this one will be charged first in this
Yeah.
side. Okay.
One battery need almost 2 hours can charge line. Aircraft.
Yep.
Power.
Back up. All right.
This is for protector. This is inside. Huh? Okay.
This is the whole thing, right?
Whole thing.